In this video, you'll learn how to make a picture black and white. We'll be using PhotoWorks, an intuitive photo editor for people of all skill levels. This tutorial will be helpful no matter whether your PC is running on Windows 10, 7, or earlier versions. You will discover two ways of turning a regular image black and white. Both of them are super easy and require just under 5 minutes of your time. As a nice bonus, we'll also show you how to create the color splash effect in your photos. Let's start with the quickest way to turn a photo black and white. Open your picture in PhotoWorks, stay on the Enhancement tab, and click the black and white checkbox. The program will instantly apply the effect to your photo. Satisfied with the result? Save your edited picture. If you want to add some depth to make your black and white image look more spectacular, adjust the clarity and tone sliders. Now let's see how to change a photo to black and white with a professional color correction preset. Import your picture and switch to the Tools tab. Select the 3D LUT Color Correction tool. Scroll down to find the Grayscale preset. Once you apply it, you can adjust its intensity with the slider. This way you can achieve a delicate vintage effect with some original tones still showing through. Finally, as promised, we'll show you the color splash effect, a trendy editing technique for highlighting a particular color or item in a picture. With PhotoWorks, you can apply it in a click. Open your image and go to the Effects tab. Select the Photo Effects tool. In the Popular Effects section, scroll down to the color splash effect. Adjust its intensity with the slider. Want to create the color splash effect manually? Go to the Retouch tab and choose the Adjustments Brush tool. Set the size, feather, and opacity of the brush. Paint over the area in your picture you want to be black and white. Then drag the saturation slider to the left. This way you can highlight several objects in your image and achieve a pro-level result. Now you know how to make a photo black and white in PhotoWorks. Download the software, follow these steps, and see the editor in action.